The Bible's story of Noah's Ark and the Great Flood is set around 2348 BC. The world was filled with people, but something had gone terribly wrong. Instead of living in peace and kindness, people had turned to violence and wickedness. Their hearts were full of evil, and the world was broken. But there was one man, Noah, who stood out. He wasn't perfect, but he loved God and tried his best to live a good life. And because of this, God chose Noah for a very special mission. One day, God spoke to Noah. He said, "Noah, I'm going to send a great flood to cleanse the earth. But I want you to build an ark, a huge boat, so that you, your family, and 2 of every kind of animal will be safe." Now, this might sound impossible, but Noah trusted God. He got to work. It wasn't easy. People laughed at Noah. "What's this crazy man doing building a boat in the middle of dry land?" they'd say. But Noah didn't stop. He had faith in what God had told him. After years of hard work, the ark was ready. And just in time, God sent pairs of animals to Noah. Big ones, small ones, loud ones, and quiet ones. They all climbed aboard the ark. Then Noah and his family entered too. The sky turned dark, and raindrops began to fall. At first it was just a drizzle, but soon the heavens opened up. Rain poured down for 40 days and 40 nights. The floodwaters rose higher and higher until everything was covered. But inside the ark, Noah, his family, and all the animals were safe, just as God had promised. Finally, after many months, the waters began to go down. The ark came to rest on a mountain. Noah sent out a dove to see if it was safe to leave. The first time, it came back, but the second time, it returned with an olive leaf. That was the sign they had been waiting for. The earth was dry, and it was time to start fresh. Noah built an altar to thank God for saving them. And then, something amazing happened. God placed a rainbow in the sky and said, "This is my promise to you. Never again will I flood the whole earth. This rainbow is a sign of my love and faithfulness." The story of Noah's Ark is more than just a tale about a big boat. It's a story about trust, obedience, and new beginnings. It reminds us that even in the darkest times there is hope, and God's promises are always true. So what about you? Are you ready to trust the journey, even when it's hard? Just like Noah, we can find hope in the promise of a brighter tomorrow.